In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export timelines in DaVinci Resolve. If you need to save a timeline from your project in a specific file format, DaVinci Resolve makes the process very quick once you know where to look. This is useful when you want to move a timeline to another system, share it with another editor, or create a backup in a format that works with other post-production tools. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to click so you can export your timeline smoothly and confidently. To begin, open your media pool. This is the area where your project assets and timelines are organized, so it's the easiest place to locate the timeline you want to export. If your layout looks slightly different, just make sure you're in a view where the media pool is visible and accessible. Once your media pool is open, find the timeline you want to export and click on it to select it. It's important to make sure you're selecting the correct timeline, especially if your project contains multiple versions, backups, or alternate edits. Taking a second to confirm this now can help you avoid exporting the wrong one. After selecting the timeline, right-click on it. This will open a contextual menu with several options related to that timeline. From here, move your cursor over the Timelines option. This expands another menu with more timeline-related actions. Next, hover over Export. When you do that, DaVinci Resolve will show you the available export file types. These file types may vary depending on your setup and workflow, but the main idea is the same. Choose the format that best matches where the timeline is going next. For example, you might choose one format for transferring to another editing platform and another for archiving or collaboration. Once you see the list of file types, simply select the one you want. After that, the export process begins, and that's really all there is to it. The key is knowing that timeline exports are handled directly from the media pool through the right-click menu, rather than from the delivery page. As a quick tip before exporting, it's a good idea to make sure your timeline is finalized and clearly named. That makes it much easier to stay organized, especially if you're exporting several versions for different uses. And that's how to export timelines in DaVinci Resolve. Once you've done it a couple of times, the process becomes fast and easy, and it can save you a lot of time when collaborating or moving projects between systems.